Good morning and welcome to Fluxx Conference 2025 Middle East edition. And we have Mr. David Jong Bambagion. He is a co-founder for Dare Health Innovation, and he has also been awarded. First of all, congratulations
Thank
and
you.
welcome to Fluxx event. How does it feel to receive an award? Is it same like as we used to receive in our high school with the stars? Is it the same feeling?
No, it feels more special, I think. Also, the awards in high school are really good if you get an award when you're a kid.
Because that feeling is so
I know, I
exciting.
know, I know. Everything's more exciting when you're young, right?
Yes.
But no, this is like a little like a cherry on top for like everything I learned when I was younger at school.
Yeah.
And then now, like being an entrepreneur, being here with other business elites and business
Yeah.
people in healthcare, no, it's like really special to have this
What is the
award.
specialty of your Dare Health innovation?
So the specialization, what we do is like we work for nursing homes and hospitals, and what we do is like we provide with a digital transformation. So we do virtual reality training and we do process optimizations through apps.
Okay. Through
So
apps.
apps,
Wow,
yeah.
that is innovative. Is this services, do you find it different from different culture as it's a Middle Eastern culture would be different and the approach people are not much aware. So how do you deal with that challenge of informing people or educating people about your brand?
I think it's all about culture adaptation, right? So it's like really understanding like the culture you're in and really connecting with the people and the end user. So like that's what we do. It's like it doesn't matter if somebody living with dementia in
Yeah.
Doha or somebody's living with dementia in the Netherlands or in the United States. It doesn't really matter. You just like involve them in the process in making these applications as tech for them.
So this application doesn't involve a doctor or meeting a doctor live, or is it like just everything online?
So it's like through the app, it's like medical devices. So giving like information to people living with dementia, the caregivers about these like
Okay,
technologies,
okay.
but also like nurses, like in hospitals or in nursing homes to use technology in the right way.
So when you're dealing with different countries and their own clinical and medical laws and regulations, how do you provide them with the information and security that their information or their patient's information would be secure while using the app of yours?
So like yeah, we store the data in the cloud, and like what we
Yeah.
now do is like as you may know in Europe we have the GDPR. It's
Okay.
very strict. So I think it's one of the best privacy laws regarding data.
Okay.
So yeah, it depends of the culture adaptation where the clients want to store that data. It can be stored locally at the nursing homes if they or the hospitals if they want that, or we store it in Europe. But like just whatever the client
As
wants.
you mentioned, I mentioned most of the older generation people might have that. And to convince them to go on an app, they can be very iffy about it. Now, maybe not. How do you approach such patients of yours?
So, for example, we have like the beautiful TVs you also have here, like with a touch screen. So you can go to a municipality or a hospital or a nursing home. So it's like a big TV screen. You can stand in front of it and you can just like or speak to it, or you can do the touch screen. So it's like
Okay.
provides the information in a really simple way for them.
Okay.
So in that way, we introduce it to them. So before we go to the app, we first have a big TV with a touch screen, and then we'll introduce the app.
Okay. So, what was the idea? Why did you came up with this innovative idea? What led you to this?
So, as a background, I'm a nurse. So, I worked in a nursing home
Okay.
at the innovation department.
Oh, okay.
And that's where the idea kind of originated. And then we stopped working at the innovation department, and then we took the intellectual property and we started the company because we wanted to share this innovation not only within the nursing home we
Yeah.
worked, but we want to spread it through
Yeah.
the country, but also around the globe.
Perfect. Do you have any more innovative ideas or advances you would like to tell the audience about when it comes to your app?
Yeah, so like the app. So now we're like focused on like asset tracking and also with
Okay.
AI like predictive maintenance. So like kind of predicting what technology needs to be used for which patient.
Oh,
So in
okay.
that sense, we kind of predict the future.
Well, how, for example, if anybody wants to debate that, you know what, I have the AI or Chat GPT, I can do it myself. How do you, talk to those people? Because, well, this is kind of people we are dealing with nowadays.
Yeah. So with ChatGPT, like it's great, it's amazing if you can use that. But we train a model. It's like an AI agent we call it. So we train a model on our data, so it doesn't hallucinate.
Perfect.
So our AI model will sometimes say like, I don't know the answer. But
Yeah.
ChatGPT always has an answer,
Yes, exactly.
even though it's not the right
Exactly.
answer, but it is an
Exactly.
answer.
Yeah, okay, perfect. How was your experience at Fluxx conference?
That was amazing. First time. I love the energy, and also it's called like the production level. There's a lot of cameras, a lot of video. So also marketing wise for
Yeah.
the company
Yeah.
and just interacting with people. Now it's great to just have the QR code and have all
Yeah.
the content.
Perfect. Thank you so much for
Thank
being
you.
here. Congratulations on your award, and we hope to see your brand and app going more advanced and all over the world. And on that note, be safe, be kind. Please be sure of what you're using, how you're using, educate yourself, and avoid using plastic. This is Talia MK signing off. Thank you.